Hey, it's Sean and Tony. We are back here in Austin, Texas at Consensus 2024, and man, is it going off. All the players are here under one roof. We've got Bitcoin, all kinds of blockchain companies, Metaverse, artificial intelligence. It's all here for us to discover. We see a bunch of people we've seen last year. A few people have come back, and I see a whole bunch of new companies that I'm excited to meet here. So Tony and I are going to take you around this place and try and meet as many companies as we can. And how do you think it's going to go, Tony?
Hey, so far it's really good. I love the buzz. I love the atmosphere. You can see a lot of new faces, but what's really compelling is that how many old faces you can see. And our guys from Canada House, they're here. We're going to track them down.
Yeah, it's really going to be a really fun 3 days. So stick with us. We're going to try and make a cool video for you, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Hi, I am Becky with Bank Social, and we are building open banking software platform for credit unions, hence the Bank Yourself. It's been around since 2021. We have a Bank Social DAO. You know what? There's more people this year. It's a lot more robust.
Hi, my name is Sid Chakravarthy. I'm the founder and CEO of Statwig. We build supply chain tech for public health companies. What that means is our software can tell them where a single vial of vaccine is in a global supply chain. That's a big problem to solve because nearly 30% of the vaccines get spoiled before they get delivered. Website, it's called statwig.com, statwig.com.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Which camera do I look at?
Please introduce yourself and tell us what you're doing.
Hi, my name is AtharV Chandratre, and I am working with XDC. So XDC is a layer 1 EVM compatible blockchain, and we're currently focusing on trade finance, securitization, and tokenization of real world assets. Actually, my second time at Consensus. We've been at Consensus last year, and the response has been amazing so far, and we're really loving the experience. Absolutely. So my name is Max. I'm here with Qual, and we're working to use proof of work as like an oracle or proxy for energy prices to create a token in our system that is very closely coupled to the cost of energy. So instead of having tokens that people use to buy and sell goods being pegged to USD or being pegged to gold, we're trying to make a token that can be used to denominate goods, be used for commerce, but not be tied to any specific asset, but be fluctuating and arbitrage around the actual cost of energy for miners. Online, you can find us at Qual Network on Twitter, QUAI Network.
What do you think about this guys?
It's a very interesting environment. I think it is on the cusp of something very interesting with the change of regulation that is happening in the recent approval of like the ETF Ethereum funds, which I think are going to potentially continue to unlock crypto opportunity for more mainstream retail investors.
Hello, I'm Alex from Multiverse X. I'm in charge of the ecosystem here of growth, and Multiverse X is a highly scalable layer 1 infrastructure solution that currently hosts more than 500 startups building on our chain.
You can see some of the technical things right here on the screen that we can brag a lot about them. The fact that you can leverage our technology to build some pretty cool things. And you can learn more on our websites and on the documentation.
I'm the co-founder and CEO of Jupyter Meta. We are a Web3 data token company, and we focus on two-way data monetization and data security. We are from India. I think it's just very exciting to see so many companies doing such great work, and they've been around for a long time. So I think now the product strategy is very clear for a lot of them, which is interesting to observe from a different market.
Sure. My name is Hayati Moodliar. I'm a BD that works for COINW. We're a centralized exchange. It's been around since 2017. We're based in the UAE at the moment. So yeah, we've got some offices there and then other parts of Asia as well. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's quite grand. It's a bit overwhelming sometimes, like so much space. First time in America as well. Realize how much space there is. So yeah, you can find us at www.coinw.com. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Alejandra Lopez, a creative director at Luna PR. We are a public relations and marketing agency specializing in Web3 and disruptive tech. We're headquartered in Dubai, but with a presence in Miami, Singapore, London, and Abu Dhabi. We've been around since 2017, initially specializing in crypto, but now opening up to other disruptive tech, so like AI, Metaverse, gaming, health tech, edutech, robotics, lunapr.io.
Hello, my name is Mantan. I'm the co-founder of Palisade. We're a digital asset custody platform that specializes in a full spectrum custody. We provide both regulated and unregulated custody services to our clients, ranging from fully custodial setups to non-custodial setups using MPC. It's very good. I like the diversity of the number of companies that are here. I love to just walk around, and it's great. I'm Shapiro. I work on the sales team here at BITGO. So BITGO is a regulated, qualified custodian in the space, providing end-to-end infrastructure for financial institutions. It was founded in 2013 by Mike Belshie, who is speaking tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. on the main stage. Wonderful. But Mike Belshie is the founder and creator of the multi-sig wallet.
My name is Joe Blanchard. I'm with Froze Labs in the HEDERA project. I serve as the CIO and CISO. Basically what HEDERA is absolutely a huge DLT, decentralized project with numerous council members and a distributed way of doing business. The event has been absolutely amazing. A lot of people to talk to, a lot of contributions, a lot of conversations. It's great for the environment and the ecosystem.
Rubovitz. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer of CompoSecure, and we're here to really celebrate the great innovation we've brought about with Cardless. So, parent company CompoSecure, we're the largest metal card manufacturer in the world, supporting with the likes of the largest traditional financial institutions and fintechs around the world.
I'm Daniel Calderon, and I'm working with Generative Goods. So basically what we're seeing here is the idea of generative manufacturing. So if you imagine mass producing, every single item is the same usually, but we want to show that at a relatively low cost, every single item can be unique and different and personalized. The way we do that is, in this case, for example, we're using a generative logo, one of our own logos, to show that each one of these outputs can be unique. So we're using an algorithm that was written by an artist to create endless variety of our own logo in this case. And each one of these is generative, made using JavaScript on a computer, and a user comes and mints a unique output, and it goes as an NFT, so they own the NFT, they can buy it, sell it, mint it, trade it. But at the same time, it also generates a stitch file that gets sent directly to the embroidery machine, and that gets produced on the spot, on demand, one of one, unique output.